their final out here in the ninth. Kimbrel's ready. First pitch on its way. Hit hard up the middle. That gets through, and he'll reach base again on his second base hit of the game. Into the box now, Paul DeYoung.
Shortstop.
And this one's in the dirt. And a nice job keeping it close. It's ball one. Here comes the 1-0. Now a good pitch on the inside part of the plate ties him up, and it's 1-1.
Oh, I love that pitch right there. Up and in. Jam sandwich.
Fouled away. Has them down to their final strike. Here it comes.
Good spot for an RBI. Put the ball in play with the runner in motion. He could score all the way from first.
Swing and a miss. He struck him out, and that'll do it here as the ball game is over.
This one was pretty evenly matched coming in. Two spring training teams, but someone's got to win. Either way, both of these teams will look to move up the ranks and continue building a formidable squad.
8-4 the final this afternoon. New Jersey took the lead in the fourth and held on until the end. Griffin Canning earns the victory on the mound. So that'll just about do it for us this afternoon. Thanks to Mark DeRosa and Dan Plesac and the rest of the crew. I'm Matt Vasgersian. This has been a presentation of MLB The Show. To find out more, head over to theshow.com.
Fans, our final line score. First, for the victorious visiting team, 8 runs on 11 hits. 1 error. They left 4 men on base. For the